everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to stop debt collection agencies, aka debt callers, to stop calling you. I know you guys are tired of those debt collectors calling you, right? So let's figure out a way on how to get them to stop. So first, let's talk about the debt callers' no-nos and what they can't do. Well, they can't call to harass, abuse, or try to oppress you over a debt. Because a debt can also be not yours, right? So if you're one of those people that, hey, this is not me, this is not my debt, would you guys stop calling me? But they continue to call you because they continue to insist that this is your debt and that you need to pay. If they call continuously, so I know there are debt collectors that may call every 30 minutes. That's a debt caller no. Also, if they call before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m., that is also a debt caller no. Calling your workplace if you requested them not to call, that's also a debt caller no, and they can get in trouble for that. Also, if you requested them to not call you, then that's also a debt caller no. Just like if you verbally say, "Hey, just don't call me," or you requested them through letter, through mail, and such, and they still are calling you, then that's a debt caller no. And we have to get, to the bottom of this. There is a do not call registry, and if you are on that list and they're still calling you, then that's a debt caller no, and they can get in trouble for this. So I have a letter here that you can use to include if you want to stop the debt collection agencies to stop calling you, right? So you will send this letter to the collection agency. You do not send this to the credit bureau. And it's very important that you send it certified so that you can make sure that you have proof that they received it and that you sent it, right? Because we definitely don't want to go back and forth with the collection agency about if you sent it or not, because they sometimes can get a little janky, and if you don't have proof, it's their word against yours, right? So this letter talks about, it is a cease and a desist letter that you'll send to the collection agency, and the subject is basically we want to stop all the debt collection calls, right? This letter is in response to many phone calls that I have received from you at the following telephone numbers. So you just put your telephone numbers there. According to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, specifically 15 U.S. Code 1692C, this is my formal declaration to terminate and seize all communication from you in regards to the debt you are attempting to collect, okay? In response to this seizing communication letter in accordance with the Federal Fair Debt Collections Act, you may only contact to inform me that there will be no further collection efforts or to notify me that a specific action will take place. Please advise that I am well aware of my rights and know that any further contact by you or your company, except a communication confirming your acknowledgement of this letter, is in violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. In addition, any third party that you use to coerce the collection of this debt shall also be in violation of federal law. If you do not cease communication, a lawsuit will be commenced against you. This letter has been sent by certified mail with return receipt and shall be presented to any court of proper jurisdiction if communication is to continue. And then you sign your name or print your name. Don't sign anything. Just print your name. Don't sign anything when it's going to the collection agencies, okay? But that's what you'll need to stop the debt collection costs. Now, this does not stop the debt to, be deleted on your credit report, but this stops them from calling you, and then that will basically end all that. And if you want to remove the debt, then all communication will probably be likely through mail, which gives you a better, foot in the game or foot in the door, because now you have proof that you've reached out to them. And sometimes debt collection agencies may agree to a debt or may say this debt's not yours verbally, and they may say, okay, if you pay this debt, we'll delete it, but they said it verbally, and then you pay the debt, and you then you can't get deleted. So verbally they said it, but there's no proof because it wasn't recorded, or they have the recording, but they're not, going to send it to the credit bureaus, of course. So you want to just stop. You just don't want to talk to them over the phone. You want to just handle this stuff by mail for proof later on down the line, if you have to take them to court or some sort. But this is the way that you want to communicate to them. So I hope this helps a lot of people that have been getting, debt collectors calling them all the time. I know it could be a hassle. So let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you send a certified, guys. That's really key. And make sure you save those receipts for for later down in the line. You may need them. Don't trash anything. Keep them for your records. It's really important because you may need them down the line. Okay? Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.